Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the app exists. This avoids guesswork. Once done, open Start and type Snipping Tool, then right-click the app listing. Make sure to choose Open File Location. This reveals the actual shortcut file in File Explorer so you can create a proper desktop shortcut. It's safer than dragging search results. If File Explorer shows a link, you're ready to move into the next step and create the desktop icon. Now you'll create the desktop icon itself. Drag the Snipping Tool shortcut from File Explorer onto your desktop and release to make a copy. Alternatively, right-click the shortcut, pick Send to, then Desktop, Create Shortcut. Once the icon is on your desktop, right-click it and choose Properties to change the icon or set a keyboard shortcut so you can open it fast. Make sure to apply changes. This gives you quick access without relying on the Start menu. Finish by testing the new desktop icon. Double-click to open Snipping Tool and verify capture functionality. Once confirmed, right-click the desktop icon to pin to taskbar or set a shortcut key under Properties so you can launch it with a keystroke. If the app won't appear or won't launch, make sure Windows is updated. Then reinstall Snipping Tool from the Microsoft Store or enable Snip and Sketch as an alternative. This fixes most
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.